Campaign. Now, a local woman getting a brand new type of hearing implant that only one other person in the country has. It's a hybrid cochlear implant that preserves a person's hearing while giving them the ability to hear high frequencies. News Channel 6's Nicole Snyder was there when she got the new device.
Imagine not being able to hear the siren going down the street. These sounds we hear on a daily basis are unfamiliar to people like Nancy Abril.
When it comes to songs, I have no idea what the people are saying.
Abril has learned to read lips since the time she was a young child. By the time she was in her 40s, 60% of her hearing was gone. She finally decided to get help at a regular doctor appointment.
I'm going to test your hearing. And I said, please don't. I've had so many tests, don't. So he did, and we came back in the room, and he said, oh, my God. He said, you're a mess. I said, yes.
Abril waited until she retired to get surgery for her hearing. She finally had surgery earlier this month at Augusta Univerisity and became the first patient in the state to receive this type of implant.
A cochlear implant is designed for patients who have really severe hearing loss that precludes or sort of hinders them from getting much benefit from a hearing aid anymore.
This hybrid device is different from the traditional cochlear implant because it keeps the patient's natural hearing instead of bypassing it entirely.
We're trying to preserve the hair cells and the natural hearing that they have in part of the cochlea, while at the same time giving back this high-frequency hearing through the electrical stimulation.
Before the implant was turned on, Abril was already dreaming of all the sounds she would hear.
I think my life will be fascinating. I think it'll be, I love to travel, so I want to learn new languages, and especially Italian, and I don't think I'm going to have any problem now.
When the doctors turned the device on, she was able to finally hear high frequencies, sound she hasn't heard since her teens.
It feels wonderful, yeah. It's just something I'm totally not used to. So it really feels like squirrels right now fighting, but it feels wonderful to hear high pitch in this ear.
Doctors say patients who get the implants like this have to practice speech exercises every day to make full use of the device, make sure they get the most out of it. And that is a wonderful, wonderful story.
Excited for her.